Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do lists. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. So hello guys, I hope everything's doing well and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Smartsheet.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines, all in one place, perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. So all I have to do right now is just come back to the top and then you click over here, try Smartsheet for free, and then you'll find the page which is this one. So you have just to enter your work email address and you click over continue, and then you'll find here one page on one schedule that appear here, and then you have to link your information such as your name, your last name, and then your phone number, and you select your continent, which is if it's Europa or is it other things or USA, and then you America, sorry, then you click over continue and you'll find the page which is this one. So we have here welcome. Please check your inbox to activate your account. Confirm your email address by clicking the link and the email we sent to you. So let's just go right now to the Gmail and you'll find here of course when email is received from Smartsheet. I will just find out through this. We have it to start using your Smartsheet account. Click the button to confirm your email address. I will just click over confirm email and then you will find a page which is this one as you can see. But before that you will find a page that you have to create your password, and you add it just by adding your password and you confirm your password. Then you click over continue and then you have to log in with smartsheet.com by diving into smartsheet.com and you start log in with this platform. Then you'll find here this dashboard or this homepage as you can see. So to use Smartsheet, you have just to start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or projects. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheet lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. Alright? So right now all you have to do is just here click over those options. If you want to get started with smartsheet.com, I will show you here the important one. We have the first one which is the home page, and here we have it. The important thing that we have which is here this one, this button or this files we have here, plus start a new project, program or process, choose a template or start from scratch. Then we have here also browse, and then we have also here search, then we have here notification as well, then we have also here recent, and we have also here favorites, resource management, then we have work applications. Then we have here if you want to start a new project, this is the important one. I will show you how you can do that. You have just to stick around until the end, and right now let's get started by the first one, which is the browse. About this one, you'll find here various things as you can see. When delete items, you click over here and you start deleting these items, and here we have it as you can see. When I delete it, you click over here and you start deleting these items. And then we have also here firstly browse, and we have work application. You can just here select your phone sheets or workspaces as well. All right, so about sheets, you will find here this page. You have just to click over create new sheet, and then you get started and you create new sheets by selecting here if we want these templates dependent or related to projects, request management, business budget management, formula handbook, campaigns, project schedule management, and other templates. We have here various templates. You can just scroll down and you search for the one you want and you start creating that. So about this one, I will just let you for these options. So right now let's just come back to the browse, and then we have here also work space. You have just to click over here to create a new workspace if you want. Then we have also a new workspace, and you click over share if you want to share this workspaces as you can see. Right, so that's it for this one which is browse. Then we have also here resource management. About this one, you'll find here this page. As you can see, resource planning for every level of your organization. Assign the right people to the right work at the right time. You have first to balance workloads, track time with ease, forecast with confidence, and you click of request free trial. And then you have to link your information such as first name, last name, email address, your phone number, and here we have what's your timeline for implementing resource planning. You have just to select if it immediately, short term, medium term, long term, not sure, or not current plans. Then you have here to answer this question, which is what's your biggest challenge with managing resources. Then you click over submit and you get started. In this page you will find here this one. I have it behind this one. We have my work, people, schedule, projects, and report as well. So that's it for resource management. Let's just move into the next one, and it's the important one you have to be attentive right now. So here we have, let's start a new project, program or process, create a workspace to organize and collaborate with teams and partners. You have just to start with a popular template if you want, or you have to start from the scratch by clicking over here, for example, guided project setup. As you can see, workspace, import, work app, and we have also, if you want to choose a new workspace starting point such as grid, import form, dashboard, timeline, Gantt, and we have a board as well. I will just select, for example, this one. Then we'll find out a page which is this one. First, name your project, give you your project distinct descriptive name, and you have just to add one name. For example, this job is just an example. You will find here, choose a view. If you want here grid, or board, I will select the board one, and then I will click over next, or I will skip the step if I want. I will just next build a product. I will just skip all the steps, and then I will just build a project that we have here. It says successfully building a project. So let's just waiting for the home page of this one. So as you can see here, we have how you can get started with Smartsheet and you create yours. All right, so we have a various tanks. If you want to here add a task, the first one, the second one, and if you want to add more tasks since your parts dashboard grow, you can just click over here and you get started with this one. As you can see, and you click over plus. Also we have plus, another plus here, and we have also other options that could help you. For example, board, if you want to enter a Redo, if you want to add other one, you click over here and you choose the one you want, and then you get started. We have here, if you want a task sheet, task summary, overdue task, or if you want a projects dashboard. As you can see, then you click over get started and you get started with this one by selecting the one you want. So that's it, how it works with smartsheet.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate with ease. Whether you are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows, it keeps everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's a smart way to get things done and keep your projects on track. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.